BVR-TECH here. I want to do a review of the iSteadyPro 2, a 3-axis gimbal from Hohenheim. And here we go. Here is what you get. And first off, you have the box, and it has all of the QR codes that you would need to go ahead and get to them. Also their @ symbols for Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, and the app, which you're going to want. Here's what comes in it. You got your instruction manual, you got the gimbal itself, a couple cables, and then a adapter to make it a tripod or to hold on to. If you want to go ahead and put it in that instead of, there's an adapter called a phone holder that you can put in there as well, sold by the same company, I want to say USA Vision Key, available on Amazon. Let me just double check something here and make sure that's the right company. Yes, US Key Vision. I'm sorry, US Key Vision. The phone adapter is pretty nice too. It's probably a must-have if you buy this. You can go ahead and mount this to the secondary screw here and mount your phone in there, so you can go ahead and use your phone app to see what's going on, and also adjust and control the gimbal.